Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix a shark vacuum that's overheating so you can get back to cleaning without damaging your machine. First, turn off and unplug the vacuum. Overheating is often caused by clogs or restricted airflow, so safety is the top priority before inspecting it. Next, check the brush roll. Hair, string, and debris can get wrapped around it, making the motor work harder and overheat. Remove the brush roll and clean it thoroughly. Then, inspect the vacuum hose and wand for blockages. Detach each section and run water, or use a long, flexible brush to clear any clogs. Make sure everything is completely dry before reassembling. Check the filters as well. Shark vacuums have pre-motor and post-motor filters that need regular cleaning. Wash them with water if they're washable, or replace them if they're worn out. Allow them to dry completely before reinserting. Once everything is cleaned and dry, reassemble the vacuum and plug it back in. Turn it on and monitor it for a few minutes. If it still overheats, the motor may be damaged and require professional repair or replacement. By following these steps, you can often fix an overheating shark vacuum yourself and extend its lifespan. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.